Do you know you can now convert WhatsApp voice note to text? This is very, very amazing, guys. And one good thing about it is that you can convert it to any language of your choice. You can translate it, that you don't like listening to it or reading it with English. You can convert it to any other language of your choice, and it will translate the voice note into a text for you to read it. Let me show you. Let's go. Open your WhatsApp this way. Just click on it and click on these three dots. Click on it and click on settings. Scroll down this way, click on chats and come to voice message transcript. Turn it on this way. Make sure you turn it on. It will be off on your own. Just turn it on this way. It will show you this. Choose language. Click on choose language and select English. Choose any language of your choice. For me, I'm selecting English. Now you click on set up now. Click on it this way. After setting up, what you need to do is just to return back and go to the voice note that the person sent to you. Just click on it this way. You see this voice note. What you need to do is just to highlight on it this way and click on this three dot up here. Click on it. You see transcribe. Just click on it this way and wait for it. You can see transcribing. You can see it now. It will convert that voice note to text immediately. Just be patient. Okay, this will work for normal WhatsApp. You have seen it now. They have just transcribed everything. Hello Joshua, how are you doing? You can see it now. Immediately it will convert it and give you a transcript of that particular voice note. That's how to do that. Please, if you find this video useful, do well to share it for other people to benefit. Thank you. See you in my next tutorial.